Welcome. This is a 90-second video looking at a P2 question, typical of a CIMA OT exam, and see how to tackle it. This particular question is question tutorial question number 7, and it's to do with discounting and using a perpetuity. And we need to find the deposit needed to generate a perpetuity. This comes from syllabus area C1A, evaluate information to support project appraisal. Here's the question. A wealthy individual wishes to sponsor an annual prize that will be awarded to the best performing pupil at her school. She wishes to donate today a sum of money that will be sufficient to pay the $500 each year in perpetuity, adjusted for inflation. That sum will be invested at a rate of 8% per year, and inflation is expected to average 3% per year. The first prize will be paid in 1 year's time. How much will the individual have to invest today in order to fund this prize? Well, the first step that we need to look at is to recognise that the 8% percentage rate for interest given in the question is a money rate of interest. Then use the 3% inflation rate to really find what the real rate of interest is, the rate by which her money will be increasing. And we do this. The money deposited in the bank will accrue interest at 8%, but the prize should also increase each year by the rate of inflation. So in real terms, the money deposit will only grow by 1.8% divided by 1.3%. And this gives us a real rate of 4.854369%. Obviously, exactly where you cut off this percentage rate will determine exactly what your answer is. But this percentage rate, the real rate, is what we will divide the annual payment by, and this will tell us the deposit needed. And doing it this way, we're able to recognise that the present value of £500 is obviously going to be a different cash amount. It's going to be 3% more on a cumulative basis each year. So the deposit needed will be $10,300. $500 divided by 4.854369 gives us 10,300. So that's the answer to the question. Now I've obviously looked at the CIMA answer as well, and I can see that they've given a slightly different answer, and what they've got is the 4.85%. In other words, they've cut the percentage rate down to 2 decimal places, but the marking scheme will allow all correct answers to get full marks. I hope you found that useful. My name's Sandy Hood. If you want to know more about my courses and so on that I'm running, then certainly look on the Facebook account, facebook.com/accountancy tutor. Thank you.